All right, number 3 is a chain rule with a coefficient out in front. You could have turned this into a turducken if you felt like being an absolute monster, because you could use your exponent rules to rewrite this as ln of all of this nonsense, sine of x minus cosine of x. And we could have gone ahead and said, oh, all of that's to the 6th power. That's monstrous, and no one did that, nor should you. But just saying, that is another thing that could have happened here. In reality, we just needed to realize, okay, the derivative of ln of something is 1 over whatever my argument is. In this case, we do have a 6, so we'll leave the 6 there as our constant multiple, right? The scalar multiple. And then we'll have our sine of x minus our cosine of x in our denominator. And then since this is, again, something other than just x inside of our argument of our function that's on our sort of derivatives we know, we got to multiply by the derivative of that inside function. So if you needed a pause, you could do that if you needed it. But I didn't see many folks needing a pause here. So the derivative of sine is cosine of x, and the derivative of cosine of x is a negative sine of x, so that negative becomes a plus. I'm going to go ahead and keep my arguments clear. And this is all over sine of x minus cosine of x. Generally, we did pretty well on that. We still had a handful of people who did the 1 over x and then did something with that inside function instead of using the new argument, right? That's how our chain rule works. Whatever the heck our inside function was, we are getting f prime of that g of x. So that was not very many of you fell into that trap. So good job there.